Hello there, in this video I'm going to do a quick review of the Fitcam X 4K dashcam. Now, full disclosure, I was sent this to review and I do have an affiliate link and a discount code which I've put in the description, and I do get a small commission if you buy using that link. I've already done a video about fitting the Fitcam X, so it took me about 10 minutes, partly due to my slightly chunky fingers. But once you fit it, it does look pretty much like it came like that from the factory. You replace an entire piece of trim from behind the mirror with the trim that comes with the dashcam. Once in place, for my height, you pretty much can't see it while you're driving. If you're slightly shorter, you'd see it hanging down a little bit below the mirror. The easiest way to access the camera is to get the Fitcam X app and connect the camera that way. So the camera's got built-in Wi-Fi, you've got to connect it in the settings on your phone. That's been a slight issue in the Audi because I had it defaulting to auto-join the MMI Wi-Fi. So whenever I want to use the dash cam, I've got to disable the auto-join on the Audi one. But that's more a car problem than a camera problem. So once you connect to the camera, it comes up and shows you a live image from the camera, if it's on. And down at the bottom, you go into the camera file, and it will bring up all the videos that have been recorded, and they record on a loop by default. So pick a video that you want, click on it, it'll bring up a little preview, and you can click on the download button and it'll start downloading it. Now this is the slowest part of the process. Each of the files is 133 megabytes. The camera does come with a 64 gigabyte card, which you can take out and plug into the card reader that comes with it. It can also take up to 128 gigabyte cards. That'd be a far quicker way of doing it. But if you're only wanting short clips, it's not particularly onerous. It's probably about a minute to get a 1 minute file downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you can go back to the camera file and download more. I'm actually just going to pop back to the main screen and show you into the settings. So you can switch sound recording on or off. You can change the resolution. You can put the time on or off. If the wiring in your car suits, you can have collision sensing for when it's parked. And you can also have it automatically lock if it senses a collision, so you can't overwrite the recording. From the outside, it blends in. It looks pretty much like standard. It's just below the rain sensor. So for daytime driving, the quality's been pretty good. The colours come out okay. The detail's pretty good. It's picked up some hilarious moves like this brake and dive for the slip road manoeuvre. And this one where apparently the arrows mean nothing to this guy. We'll just cut across there. Maybe dive on the other side of the road, take the racing line out the bend there. Night driving footage. Now, I'll admit, it's been raining every time I've been out at night, so that might have affected the quality, but it comes out pretty clear. You can't quite read the number plates if the vehicle's moving. If you're stationary and the lighting's fine, you can, but when you're driving, it's not brilliant for picking up number plates. The other observation I've got is it does pick up reflections. You'll see it a bit when we go into the streetlights here, and when you're in sunlight it picks up reflections, but I think that's more to do with the angle of the windscreen in the car and the dashboard layout in the Audi Q4 e-tron that I'm driving. That's less of a camera issue and more just the angles working against it. To summarise then, I think this is a pretty good camera. It's fairly easy to fit, as long as you can get your fingers in. It looks like it came from the factory in the car. The video quality is pretty good. Would I pay my own money for it? Yeah, I actually think I would. As I said at the start, I do have an affiliate link and a discount code if you want 10% off. Check out the description. I do get a small commission from that, but not very much. That's all I've got for you this time. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.